How to create QR code for PDF file in Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Google Drive on a device. Now tap on files at the bottom right corner. Tap on the plus icon. Now tap on upload. Now select the PDF file. Now tap on three dots and click on manage access. Now tap on restricted. Now select anyone with the link. Now tap on the link icon at the top right corner to copy the link. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up Play Store on a device. Tap on the source icon. Now tap on QR generator. Now tap on Me QR and click on install. Now wait for some time. After installing, simply tap on open. Now tap on create QR code. Now simply log in with your account. Select any Google account. Now wait for some time. Now tap on URL. Now paste the link. Now type the PDF name. Now tap on customize and download QR. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on download QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.